API Runtime Protection. When your APIs are in the wild, how do you know if they're behaving properly? Or better yet, how do you know if they're exposing sensitive data? The only way to know is to monitor their behavior in real time. Without the ability to detect anomalous behavior, hackers could be taking advantage of misconfigurations or other implementation errors, which is why we want to make it easy for you to prevent attacks in real time, fix API misconfigurations, and automatically update firewall rules. Noname Security Runtime Protection uses automated AI and machine learning detection to conduct real-time traffic analysis and provide contextual insights into data leakage, data tampering, data policy violations, suspicious behavior, and API security attacks. And Noname's innovative approach to API security runs completely out of band, so there are no network changes required and no cumbersome agents needed. We simply mirror traffic from a number of determined data sources and use that data to perform passive network traffic analysis. Remediation is just as easy, as you can leverage current workflows, integrate with existing infrastructure such as WAFs, and workflow systems such as Jira, ServiceNow, Slack, and Seams for alerts and ticketing. Now you can detect anomalous behavior, alert the proper personnel, and take action all in one tool. It's just that easy. To learn more, visit nonamesecurity.com/runtime protection.